This week's challenge is to make a plant-based dessert.
And when we say plant-based, we mean adding fruits, vegetables, or beans to your desserts. So when we're talking fruits and vegetables, using avocado is a really good idea.
Yes.
It adds creaminess while still adding those heart-healthy fats. So you can add avocado to any baking, so brownies, but also to puddings, like this dark chocolate avocado pudding recipe.
Give this a try.
Looks so pretty.
Oh, it's so creamy.
Creamy, sweet, and has a couple avocados in there, which
Yeah.
is definitely a bonus.
Definitely. Another option, you mentioned beans, so these are chocolate chip cookie bites, and we've replaced the flour with Great Northern beans.
Yes.
Adds a little moisture, some fiber, a great option. Oopsie.
Yes, and they're super soft.
Yes. Let
Could
you
even
take
eat them
that.
for breakfast, to be honest.
Mm.
Nobody will ever know that there's
No.
beans in here.
No. These are so good.
And speaking of beans, black beans are great in brownies because they're dark. You can also just take a box of brownie mix and mix it with a can of black beans undrained, and there you go, black bean brownies.
So simple. And maybe the simplest option would be to have fruit for dessert.
Putting it on top of ice cream would
Yes.
be easy. Yogurt, baking in the oven,
Yes, like we have a recipe for baked pears with maple and cinnamon.
so good.
Very good.
Well, good luck, have fun, and we'll see you next week.